Hello. I'm gonna be singing another original song today. I think I wrote this song over the summer, so it's been a while, like late summer, like August sometime. So it's been a while. I've still trying to pull together some new songs, some new chords, something new. I just feel so stagnant in my writing right now and like my creativity that I just am finding it really hard to write anything new. So I'm just gonna keep doing this until I'm completely sick of these songs, which I'm approaching. So maybe that will make me more creative. But as of right now, this is like my favorite song that I've ever written. I don't know why, I just really love it. It's called Cattle Drive. So. Well, I've been traveling far and wide to try to find pieces of my mind, but it's no luck. They've all gone, I'll just keep running from what I can't tell. It's harder than hell, and I can't feel that familiarity that I once knew. Just bodies on bodies and one line going all the way through. I can try to run, but it's no good. I've been branded like the cattle running in the fields. It'll just track me down and drag me back I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. Where's my mind? Where's my mind? I've lost mine. Well, couldn't you just pull me up out of these ruts? It's the cattle drive that's forcing me along. It's the cattle drive that's dragging me on. It's all I am, it's all I'll be, it's all I've got. So cat'll keep pushing on, driving me on.